How to verify ID on Paxful. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can verify your ID on Paxful. In order to verify, you'll have to log in first of all, and once you're logged in, that's going to direct you to the official web page, which is going to look something like this. Right on this page, go ahead and tap your profile icon, and if you've not verified it, then you'll be able to find the option as Verify Me, and go ahead and tap on it. As soon as you go ahead and tap on it, then you'll be able to find a page something like this. So accordingly, you'll have to provide in the information such as phone verification. So accordingly, you'll have to go ahead and verify it. If you've not even verified your number or an email address, then you have to do that first of all. Then you'll begin with the biggest step, that is verifying your ID. So first thing, you'll have to provide in the issued country, ID type, understanding, go through the terms and conditions, and click the start verification process once completed. Once done, entering the information. Now it's going to ask you to upload a media. So from here, you can either take a photo, or you can either upload from your device, or you can continue on mobile. Whichever is convenient for you, select that. Now if you're using a mobile phone, then you'll have to scan the QR code and enter in the email, or you can also do it by sending an email, whichever is convenient for you. Next page, you'll need to start taking the picture. So for that, first of all, take a driver license front page and click the start button. Do the face verification. Make sure not to use any props such as glasses or caps whatsoever. Now you have to provide in your document information, that is your country of your residence, region or state, address line, postal code, city, and all that information. Click the verification button located right at the bottom. Next page, you'll have to go ahead and upload the phone bill. Once you've done that, click on choose file located right at the bottom. As soon as you've done that, lastly you'll be receiving a notification stating that you've completely uploaded all of the images, and then to complete the procedure, click the confirm button, and it's going to take a while in order to verify your account. Till then, you can wait patiently until you receive any further notification. So in that way, you can verify your ID on Paxful. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.